Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to share you how you can scrap unlimited leads from Google without spending single dollars using Clay. So if you're not using Clay as of now, you will create a free Clay account. It's the very useful tool. You can scrap unlimited leads from Google without spending a single dollar. I will share with you how it works. So let's create a Clay free account. I have my own account here. So if you can see here, you can find people, find companies, and find jobs and local businesses. You can click the local businesses. It will redirect to the Google Maps. For example, here you want to scrap from the location of New York. Click on off this dollar like user preferred Google API. You can select the radius where you want to scrap. So I will select alone this radius like that. So here you can search the search query like what needs you want to snap. For example, gym, beauty parlors, retail shops, and all these things. In my thing, I enter gyms. So here you can select how many results you need. For example, in my plan, I can scrap 1000 leads. If you log in into a free account, you can scrap 200 per result. So I can enter the same 200. And if you click continue, and you want to pull this table to a new blank table, right? So I click new blank table. It's creating the resources. So yeah. So here you can see the latitude and the longitude. And so what is the search query we do? And we off the referred Google API and we get 200 results. You can see here the businesses found and what are the businesses name and the Google Map URL. You can find some of the descriptions. And here you can find the exact website. So here you can see the phone numbers of the each and every gym and their address and their ratings and the review score. So based on this, you can contact the people and say, hi, this is Ram from Elevation X. I saw you have 287 reviews and 4 ratings and etc like that. And you can sell your service by contact this phone number. You don't need to spend any dollars on Google Map scrappers or any other scrapper. I think it will really help you. So thanks for your time. See you in the next video.